Hello guys, and this is the ranks right. Okay, and the odds right at the dot. So this is like kind of like this is like for last time, and the ranks like the last time does is that it's like a decade is extinct, and so this is like go high rank, go rank, kind of saying that this is like kind of like second. So what it does is that we can do that things like let's say we can do music, crates, after music, start playing, since SA, the die, at the eye, to right, who, subtrains, stick, and take the rank, array. Okay. So we can alright. It does like this is like kind of like something like so you can get that right. So you get that same thing to that fight alright at your thing alright day. And so you get the next thing. I get the type, get the Aussie. Yeah, let's get that sync. And okay, so that say hey. So that do that. Next, so that. And I take the day. Okay, let's go next update. See the site. So go to okay. That. Okay, let's start. So go right. And that thing. There it is. Okay, so I got back. At that tank. First thing. Baby. And this is like get that right. After that. And something screen focus. So go on that. And let's get that. That. Right. Getting thanks. Alright. Trying to get that excited because I'm trying to get the calorie cupcakes. Alright. Sorry, exactly. It's cupcakes. So, let's go right. Cupcake. Cupcakes. And go. Go conduct. So, it's a type. Like science. And got the guy. So, okay, this is that going against the gang's eye. So, the next gang's the gangs that they get, like, right, at the right, this is a, I would say, after thing. Yeah, so this is the colors after thing, after that guy. I got right rank, alright? So grade ranks at the spectrum actually got right. So this is going for right. High spectrums and that good musics for that. And this is like the way. After that, okay, it's actually, okay guys, I feel like that guy, the injury, you should see it directly, Okay, get the top to get this do like subscribe, like links or don't links, like for me. Thanks for next week, next week, as I do it.